Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas. In today's episode, we will explore how to filter and select data using the powerful LOC and iloc method in Pandas. Filtering and selecting specific rows or columns is essential for data analysis and manipulation. So let's dive into it. In this episode, we will learn how to filter and select data using LOC and iloc. These method will help you extract specific rows and columns from your data frame. So let's get started. So the LOC method allows us to select data based on labels or condition. We can specify row labels and column labels to extract specific data points. So here is an example. So I'm having this dictionary as a data and I'm converting this dictionary into data frame, and let's run it, and then if I will print, so you will have the data frame. Now my condition is select row where age is more than 30, so I am having this 32 row and then the age 42 Sarah row only after selecting, and then it needs to be select only name, age and gender column. So I will write the condition as df.loc, df in age more than 30 and column from name to gender. I will write this and then I'll run filter data. So you can see here we will have two rows, Emma and Sarah, as I told you that more than 30 age there are only two rows, 32 and 42, I mean the first one and the third one, and we have this column, we should have the column name, age and gender, so name, age and gender. Now similar to LOC, in using iloc method allow us to select data based on integer position. We can specify row and column indices to extract data. So here is another example. So here we have condition like select first two rows and first two column. So I'll write df.iloc, and since in Python it is not selecting the last it is not selecting the mentioned row, so we have like 0, 1, 2, and we need first two rows and first two columns, right? So we need to give from the condition 0 to 2 and then 0 to 2 here also. So if I will see here 0 to 2 and 0 to 2, if I will run this one and if I will run the output, you will have the two rows and which is and two rows and the first two column. So be mindful of the syntax and order of argument when using LOC and iloc. I would suggest experiment with different condition and combination to filter and select data that meets your analysis requirement. And that's a wrap for today's episode of 3 Minutes of Pandas. We explored the powerful filtering and selecting capabilities of Pandas using LOC and iloc method. Subscribe to our channel to more 3 Minutes of Pandas tutorial and turn on notification to never miss an episode. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow Pandas enthusiasts, and keep coding and keep exploring the world of data with Pandas. Thank you.